If you do, for those that are watching online, we do have a slightly different benefit variation, a lower out-of-pocket maximum, but basically the same benefits from Pima Santa Cruz. A couple differences. Hospital copay is at $125 for that area versus $225 as it is up here. So, but basically the overall same plan, slight variations between the two, but still also a strong selling plan and very good. Has that $2,000 dental that's included as well. So that's really the overall on the network, on the benefits. And so what I wanted to do now is just spend a little time looking and talking about our network. And then I have some handouts for you, which I'll leave with you as well. Basically, when you look at it, this is our provider sheet, which I'm going to give to you. Maricopa County, all of our plans, we don't have a specific network for each of the different plans. So if you're putting somebody on the chronic special needs plan or the El Unico, the one from it's branded with Walgreens, whatever, those are going to be in the same network. So you don't have a separate one that's specific for a certain plan. We have basically two main networks. We have the Alignment Health Plan Network, which is all of our direct providers. And then we have Arizona Priority Care. You guys familiar with the differences, I'm sure? Yeah. Arizona Priority Care, they're a separate network. They're a full, what I want to say, they're almost a full intact group where they have their primary care doctors, then they have their specialists. Then we also have a way to get to Banner for specialists. So Banner, as well as Banner Hospitals and Honor Health Hospitals, through that relationship with Arizona Priority Care. So where this comes up is you'll see is if you're talking to someone that says, well, I have this is my doctor, and you find out they're a Banner specialist, then you say, okay, great. Well, let's see if their doctor is a Banner, an Arizona Priority Care doctor. We can see that they, if they are, they could either be on the Alignment Health Plan Direct. Some of them are contracted on both. So if you just look and see that, okay, great, this doctor's on both, then they would be a good candidate to be able to use that specialist as well as the Arizona Priority Care PCP. Yeah.
You can pick the network at the time of application.
Well, you do because you're choosing a primary care doctor, which ties that network in.
So it just goes based on who you choose.
Right. So whatever, and so it's important to choose that PCP ID number, which has the right medical group designation to it. And so we have some additional trainings that we can do. In fact, Krista does a really good online search that you can see, and I might be able to, if I have enough time, I can go and show you as well. It's pretty easy. So our network, the best thing to do is you're going to go to this website all the time for certifications anyways, alignmenthealthplan.com, and then just go to find a doctor. And then the link's right there. And it's actually pretty darn simple. So again, I'll see if I can do a live demo here in just a sec. So we have our Alignment Health Plan doctor with all of our different value-based providers. So you got Centerwell, along with Clinical La Familia, Healthy U, Intracare, Oak Street, One Medical, Village, Arizona Care Network is a huge Dignity, Abrazo, as part of that whole network. So there's well over 10,000 doctors in just Maricopa County. Then you look at the hospitals. We have your Dignity Hospitals, Abrazo, and then Banner, Honor as part of Arizona Priority, Chandler Regional, and so forth. So, pretty good selection of doctors, of hospitals to go with that as well. So that's for Maricopa. Pima